going on, guys? Joe G here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. We're back with another demo vid. We're going to be taking a look at Mobil Menace 35 shot 200 gram cake from Brothers. And tonight's demo is being sponsored by our friends at Liberty Fireworks. Make sure you guys stop by Liberty Fireworks this upcoming New Year season for all your firework needs. Let's take a look here at the wrap. I like when they do these little cartoon deals on the wraps. And it's got the barcode where you can scan to check it out. And doesn't list a performance anywhere that I noticed. Yeah, here we go. Here's something to talk about. Alternating red and green glitter V-shaped titanium flower tails with whistles. Silver swirling tails with whistles. V-shaped crackling comet tails. And 5 quickened shots of delayed crackling. 35 shots. Alright guys, let's go check this out. Mobil Menace.